What can I say about my experience with SIVA? Well, it's exciting, exhilarating, and expect the unexpected. Yes, expect the unexpected. Because actually, I didn't expect that it's going to be this comprehensive. Initially, I thought more on like voice acting, yung mga techniques, character voices. But then, nagulat ako because napaka-wide ng scope ng Creative Voice Artist program, ng SIVA program. Kasama yung technical side, how to record your own voice, how to do basic editing, and then kasama kasama yung mga character voices, yung mga techniques, pero kasama rin yung how to take care of your voice, how to brand yourself, how to find your niche. Yun talagang napaka-comprehensive niya na tutulungan ka niyang makapagsimula. Kumbaga makikita mo yung buong scope ng pagiging voice talent. Hindi lang voice actor, kundi voice talent. In other words, kung mahiyain ka or introvert ka, lalakas talagang loob mo dito at gagaling sa pagboboses. Yeah. And one of the Pochology quotes that I learned was, you will only be ready when you are doing